Hey there, Tim and Ergonomic back at you. Are you looking for a 4-in-1 precision screwdriver? I think I found the item for you. This is the Milwaukee 4-in-1 precision screwdriver. The number on this is 48222932. Sorry, I had to look that up. I don't know how long this has been out on the market. I just purchased it about a week ago. I've had a chance to use this at my job as a maintenance technician for a pharmaceutical company. Just a fantastic screwdriver, and I wanted to show it to you because I was excited about it. So let's get into it. So this screwdriver here is, again, it's a 4-in-1. It does have two sizes of Phillips and two sizes of slotted 1/8 inch and 3/32. Pretty small screwdriver heads. And so this one here, put in this configuration where the bit is actually hidden, is just under long extended. It's just under 6.5 inches. It's listed on the Home Depot website as 6.5 inches, but it's barely just under that. It's three quarters of an inch on the end with the spinner. Obviously the other side is much smaller than that. It does have a fantastic belt clip, or you can put this on your belt. It actually comes out pretty far, so it's you can put on your belt. I've actually tried this on in my pants pocket and my shirt pocket, and it worked great on both. Klein made a version of this probably several years ago, and that was the Klein 32614. I don't have it. I did purchase one, and I got on back order somehow. So I want to go ahead and just do the video. This one I think is a little bit superior. So it has a little better clip on it. It has the sleeve where it pops out, and you can hide bit in there. I keep doing this before I actually put the bit in there, because once you put in the bit in there, now this right here is just under, again, it's just under 5 inches, a little further under. On my day job as a pharmaceutical maintenance technician, I work on a lot of stuff. I can show you a picture, kind of like this, where it's little controls. And let me scroll over this so you can see a little closer. A lot of the controls are like this that I work on AC units. So if you're an AC guy, this would be great for you. If you're a controls guy, this would be great for you. If you're a hobbyist, a DIYer, this would be great for you. I think working on taking batteries in and out of stuff at the price point of just under $16, I think it's a pretty nice value for your money. This would probably make a great with Christmas coming up. It is October 5th of 2024 right now, and just before Christmas and Black Friday, I would kind of keep an eye on stuff like this. I am an Amazon affiliate, so if you do happen to go to Amazon to purchase this, I'll put a link to the Klein one as well. And if you do purchase this on Amazon, it will get a small commission, so I really do appreciate it. And if you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button and share this video with others. And precision of Milwaukee, and I actually tried it like this, and it actually worked out pretty good. And it kind of turned it. It's a little easier when it's extended, or when it's put back in a configuration like that. You can see I'm kind of doing two different screenshots here, but you can see it's very, very comfortable, even with the clip sticking out right here like that. So the clip on the Klein one is a little smaller, but it's very easy to do like that. So I think it's just a great screwdriver at a great price point. I really think everybody will enjoy this screwdriver. Again, the Milwaukee has a limited lifetime warranty, and I would go there and register it like I always do with all my tools that I purchase and get. So you have real nice pocket storage. It's got a concealable shank. The comfort grip. It's got this black little area of the grip is really, really nice, really comfortable in your hand. The 360 rotating back clip is real nice. knurled shank is real nice. It's made really, really well. There's a little bit of play in that. It's not in the tip. It's actually right here in this portion. So there is a little bit of play in there. I kind of wish that wasn't there, but and it doesn't. Even if you pull this sleeve out, it doesn't seem to stop that. Usually when I check out some of these screwdrivers at the store, I tend to check that and see. But if you turn it around, pretty much that little back and forth motion, it's almost gone. So it fits a little better if you use it like this, and it's a little more comfortable if you use it in the shorter fashion like this. Yeah, that's typically where I'll probably use it like that, and it's just a really, really nice motion to it, and it's real smooth. Like I said, in this configuration, there's hardly any movement at all. So again, if you're getting good value out of my channel, I appreciate it if you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll get notified when I post a new video or go live, and shoot me some comments. Let me know what you think of the screwdriver. If there's another brand of screwdriver out there that you really like compared to something like this, let me know down in the comments and let me know what you think. This is Tim and the Air Tool Man, back at you.
I'll be back.